Tired of dealing with slow and expensive cryptocurrency transfers? Want to experience the privacy and speed of Beam? In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps of sending money from Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, to your Beam wallet. Binance is a popular platform for buying, selling, and trading various cryptocurrencies. Beam, on the other hand, is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that offers enhanced anonymity and faster transaction speeds. Sending funds between these two platforms might seem daunting, but we'll break it down into easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Prepare your Beam wallet. Before we begin, ensure your Beam wallet is set up and ready to receive funds. If you haven't already, download and install the official Beam wallet application on your device. Create a new wallet or import an existing one. Once your wallet is open, navigate to the Receive section. Here, you'll find your unique Beam address. This address is crucial for receiving funds, so make sure to copy it and keep it safe. You can also generate a QR code for easier transfers. Step 2. Prepare your Binance account. Log into your Binance account and navigate to your Wallet or Funds section. Locate the cryptocurrency you wish to send to your Beam wallet. In this case, we'll assume you want to send Bitcoin, BTC, to your Beam wallet. Before initiating the transfer, ensure you have sufficient BTC balance in your Binance account to cover the transaction fees. Also, double-check the withdrawal address and network settings to avoid any errors. Step 3. Find a reliable cryptocurrency bridge. Since Binance and Beam operate on different blockchains, we'll need to utilize a cryptocurrency bridge to facilitate the transfer. A bridge acts as an intermediary, converting your cryptocurrency from one blockchain to another. Research and choose a reputable cryptocurrency bridge that supports both Bitcoin and Beam. Some popular options include Wormhole known for its wide range of supported networks and user-friendly interface. Multi-chain offers a diverse selection of bridges for various cryptocurrencies. Synapse focuses on secure and efficient cross-chain transfers. Remember to carefully review the fees and security measures associated with each bridge before making your selection. Step 4. Initiate the transfer on Binance. Go back to your Binance account and select the withdraw option for your chosen cryptocurrency, BTC. Paste the deposit address provided by the chosen bridge into the withdrawal address field. Double-check the address for accuracy to avoid sending your funds to the wrong recipient. Enter the desired amount of BTC you wish to transfer, taking into account any transaction fees. Finally, review the withdrawal details carefully and confirm the transaction. Binance will typically process the withdrawal within a few minutes. Step 5. Complete the transfer on the bridge. After initiating the withdrawal on Binance, navigate to the chosen bridge's website or interface. Locate the deposit section and paste the Beam address you copied earlier from your Beam wallet. The bridge will automatically detect the incoming BTC transfer from Binance. Once the deposit is confirmed on the Bitcoin network, the bridge will initiate the conversion process. The conversion time may vary depending on the bridge and network congestion. You can typically track the progress of the conversion on the bridge's interface. Step 6. Receive funds in your Beam wallet. Once the bridge successfully converts your BTC to Beam, the funds will be automatically credited to your Beam wallet. You can then view your Beam balance within the wallet application. Congratulations! You have successfully transferred funds from Binance to your Beam wallet. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on both your Binance account and your Beam wallet. This extra layer of security helps protect your funds from unauthorized access. Always prioritize security when choosing a cryptocurrency bridge. Research the bridge's reputation, security measures, and any past incidents before using their services. Keep track of all transaction details, including transaction IDs and timestamps, for record-keeping and troubleshooting purposes. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.